Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer music from Mac to iPhone. It's very simple without using iTunes software because of nowadays iTunes are not available on your Mac operating system. So how to transfer music in your iPhone or smartphone device? Let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Launchpad and see here your music application. So here is my music application. So here already I have some music and I connected my device here. In my device name is a Sync 12 Pro Max. Just I remove this device, so the device are disconnected. Again I connect my Mac, this particular device, so the display here comes, the options are display here. So now I want add this particular music, like in a Despacito. You can see that mobile screen Despacito song is not available. So now I add this Despacito in my mobile screen. I just simply click here twice. The song comes here in this particular library, so the song automatically comes in my iPhone also. I just simply click here my iPhone device. Already I have such kind of music. You can see my mobile screen as well. I just synchronize. So here a backup to all my PC to back, no most important, just I want most important backup, not all backup, and just simply synchronize. So look at this here, pairing the synchronize. No matter for single music or n number of music, copy for the other informations. And now here determining the task of synchronizing, what exactly I am selecting. I just select one song here. So look at this in my mobile screen. The song is automatically comes in my mobile screen as a Despacito. It's quite simple using music application, and this application available on default in Mac operating system. You can do same process and very easily transfer music in your iPhone device. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.